So my name is Mr. O'Connor and I teach computer science from year 7 to year 13. What I love about computer science is the programming aspect of computer science. I also love the theory side of it because it gives the students a really good base knowledge of how computers work. It gives them an idea about how networks work, how the actual hardware components inside a machine works, and it's just really interesting. It's really good fun and very relevant in today's society where we're relying more on technology every day. So, yeah. Every single job that I can think of will involve some form of computer use. There are going to be more and more jobs for programmers as we go in and rely more on technology in the future for everything from water to the gas that comes into our house. It's all run on computers and they need people to maintain these computers to adapt these computers when there's problems, and actually one of the big areas is cybersecurity, and a lot of our students want to go down the route of cybersecurity at university or go and do an apprenticeship, so it's going to be absolutely huge and it's a real growing industry, and there's a lot of benefits for students to go and do that. What we've done in our department is we've created an automatic marking system for our sort of Key Stage 3 students, so that allows us to go around the room and see every student, every lesson in our computer science lessons. So if anyone is struggling, they will always get help. We try to make sure that our lessons are inclusive and that we encourage question asking. We praise people, even if they get it wrong. We're just really great that they actually put their hand up and ask the questions. So there's always lots of encouragement, and the students here are very, very nice, and they're really kind to each other and they actually help each other a lot. We are a subject that attracts gifted and talented students. We challenge the students through programming. We encourage them to push their programming further. If they're at GCSE level and they're really, really good, we get them to do some A-level work. We get them to actually start creating games, start creating graphical user interfaces and creating physical calculators and stuff like this, that's stuff that they would be doing at A-level. And some that we push even further, and I'm not afraid to admit, some of them are even better than me. So I can't really, I've tried, the main thing is that we push them in the right direction and that they enjoy what they're doing. Well, it's actually sort of a trio of subjects that I find a lot of computer science students are doing. They're usually doing maths and physics as well. So they go on to university. We have some that go on to Oxford and Cambridge to study computer science. A lot of universities include computer science with maths, for example. So we've had students in the past go off to university and do that at various universities, but also some will go straight into apprenticeships with the cybersecurity teams there's like Cyber First is one of the sort of initiatives that they can join to learn a bit more about cybersecurity and actually go for jobs in that particular industry.